Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I started this so that I could record my math lessons. That way I can send you guys the link and you can follow along with your workbooks. Gonna be a little different than what we do at school, obviously. I'm here and you guys are all spread out in your own homes doing this. So I'm starting with lesson 28, session 1. And you might have already passed that if you started last week, which you should have, but if you didn't, that's okay. We're starting today. If you're already past that lesson and that session, you can use these videos to check your answers, check your work. But if you haven't started and you're ready to start with me, watch that video. And the way I'm hoping you guys use this is either to check your work if you've already done it, or to kind of just go through as we do a normal lesson, like pretending I'm using the document camera to go through the workbook and you guys are looking at it, you know, on the projector on the whiteboard. So obviously you don't have your turn and talk elbow buddies with you. But hopefully there's somebody in your house that you can explain the problems to. So hopefully you can pause the video when I ask you to and try the problem on your own, and then explain the problem, you know, how you did it, how you got your answer, what your answer is, with somebody at home. So maybe, you know, you don't have your normal elbow buddy, your harmony buddy like we do at school, but maybe you have your mom or your dad or brother or a sister or an aunt or an uncle or a grandma or grandpa or a cousin or anyone else in your house to explain the problem to. So if somebody's working with you, trying to help you with the workbook, pause, try the problem, and they can try it too. I wouldn't recommend that if you're working with a younger sibling, like Ben. Probably don't ask your younger brother to solve a problem involving, you know, telling time. Unless you want to, you definitely can. But you can have your family member or whoever's with you try the problem also, like in our normal classroom, how we do it. And then you guys can kind of trade strategies, explain how you did it, and hear about how they did it. If you don't have anyone at home working with you, that's okay too. You can just talk it out loud to like your dog. Like Luna's being very helpful right here. Very helpful. You can just explain your math and how you found your answer to a dog, cat, bearded dragon, stuffed animal, imaginary friend. Just explain what you're doing out loud, and that will just help you learn it a little better, especially since, you know, you're not hearing it from other people. At least you saying it out loud will help. So yeah, watch these videos. We'll do one session of video and pause it when you hear me say pause, and then try the math problem on your own. So, you know, I'll set up the problem, I'll tell you to pause, and then you try it yourself, and then you can unpause to see if you did it right or to check your math, like if we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, and stuff like that. Okay, I think that's it. I'll send a link for every video to Class Dojo and your parents' email. But hopefully this works out for you guys. Let me know if you ever have any questions. I don't know if you can comment your questions. I don't know how YouTube works. Subscribe, like my video. Just kidding. Bye.